Date paste is a game changer and my secret ingredient for naturally sweetening my recipes. 2 ingredients is all you need to create this versatile, delicious, and nutritious natural sweetener. In fact, it might be one of the easiest sweeteners you'll ever make. Here's how to make date paste. Start with a large bowl of about 3 cups of water. Place the bowl in your microwave and microwave it in 30-second intervals to warm it up. After 30 seconds, check on it and continue microwaving it in 30-second intervals until it's warm. It should take about 2 to 3 intervals. Once it's warmed up, take a bowl large enough to fit 2 cups of dates and add them in there. I have already added my dates here. Pour your warm water over your dates until they are covered. Set the bowl aside for about 30 minutes to let them soften up in the warm water. After about 30 minutes, save at least half a cup or 4 ounces of your water, then drain the rest of the water from your dates. Add your dried dates into a blender jar and then place the lid on. Begin blending your dates. Slowly add a little bit of your water at a time while scraping the sides. You'll want to repeat this process until everything is blended and the consistency is like a paste. I ended up using half a cup of water in order to achieve the consistency shown in the video. Transfer the date paste to a bowl. And you're good to start using your date paste. Use this date paste as a 1-to-1 replacement for sugar for baking, smoothies, or even use it as a spread for a simple sandwich. Store your date paste in an airtight container where it will last up to 2 weeks in the fridge or up to 3 months in the freezer. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.